Hi everyone. So this week I'm gonna keep this video really short, like I promised last time. The first thing that I'm gonna talk about is the award that we've all won, and it's a special award because it's for Integrated Marketing Agency of the Year. The reason it's special is because it's a very difficult sort of setup to create when you're looking at multiple services, multiple skill sets, and all of them need to perform. They need to perform in sync, and you need to have client approval in all along the journey. So this award is not for any one specific campaign or any one specific service that we've delivered well in. We've made a massive submission across 25 different questions, and within those we've made about 15 odd campaign submissions across different services across both the offices. So it was truly integrated, and I think Vaishali sir took about 8 hours to make this application. So real sincere thank you to her, and finally, after 10 years we got around to submitting this, and we won. So as we proceed, of course we'll apply for more such awards, and we'll perhaps win a few more. But important to understand and be cognizant of the fact that, like us, there are many other agencies who are also putting out good work, and we need to sort of only compete with ourselves, and learn from the others, encourage others to do better so that they set higher benchmarks for us to cross, and appreciate the award for the fact that we've improved as an agency, and that's where it ends. The second part that I want to talk about is the fact that with the lockdown increasing and work from home becoming like the new norm, critical that we take that extra effort to be in touch with a lot more people than the 5-6 people that we interact with daily, because there is that risk of us being detached, disconnected, and becoming more fragmented, and that won't augur well for the kind of culture that we want to create at Ting. So go out of your way, try and be in touch with at least 20-25 people that you would usually be in touch with if you were working from office. Do it proactively, just check on the others, and more importantly, participate in everything that we do, whether it's a fun game that Sneha sir put together yesterday, or just encouraging words to people who do well, and we sometimes end up featuring them on our WhatsApp group. It's good to hear encouraging words and cheers, and it sort of brings us all together for those brief moments. So please do that, because alone we are a drop, but together we are an ocean, and let's be that ocean. The last part that I'm going to touch upon is it's come to our notice, and we've understood this better now with 60 days having passed, that it's very difficult for a lot of you to work from home. We had initially thought that it's a dream actually to work from home because you're cutting down your travel hours and XYZ, but we also understand that not everyone has the right sort of infrastructure, or the environment may not be very congenial, and suddenly also burdened with a lot of household work to do, and you may have someone who's not well in your family, or young kids, and we do respect that, and we would appreciate it if you could bring that to our notice so that we can prepare around it. We don't want to burden anyone with this, considering it's not a short-term situation anymore. So please, unless you bring this to our notice, we will not be able to understand this. So please make sure you tell us, and we can find good solutions, creative solutions around it. We no longer believe that this is a temporary thing. We think that this is going to extend for many more months, and hence it's important that we conform to this new normal with making it as comfortable as possible for everyone. So please reach out to us, whoever you're comfortable with. Make sure it reaches us such that we can find solutions. That's all I have for this week. We'll come back soon. Till then, love only.